I've been doing a few semi-luxury and luxury watches over the summer, but last week I presented an iconic budget chronograph. This time I'm following a tip I received from a viewer after I did my best microbrand watches video. I got a lot of good tips for microbrands which I added to the list, so let more of those comments roll. My first tip watch for review is the American brand Vaer. The Hamilton Field watches got themselves a partner. Let's go! Alright, I'm Cohen and today I'm reviewing my most recent purchase, the Vaer S3 Calendar Field White 36mm quartz version. It's stunning, and I'll give you the 3 reasons why. 1. Craftsmanship. A common trait among microbrands is that they often are led by proper enthusiasts who love watches. So they end up manufacturing crowd pleasers by paying historical tributes, producing the right sizes, and of course leaving attention to finishing and finer watch nerd details. Vaer is by no means an exception. They offer a large variety of watches, GMTs, divers, design and field watches. I think I need to give them all a go after spending time with this timepiece. The S3 is given an all-brushed case with a flat Explorer 1-ish bezel. The printed dial is crisp and clear white with a date window at 3 o'clock carrying a water resistance of 100 meters. The watch comes in at only $179 on a silicone black strap, but the free option of a quick release NATO, which I prefer. Both straps, especially the NATO, feel high quality at this price point. Thick and solid, ready for exploring an adventure or a field trip with a Black Hawk. I'm planning on doing a different style of video in the upcoming weeks, so make sure you like and subscribe. I'll also leave a link in the description for my support page where I very much would appreciate your contribution. Thanks. Let's move on. 2. Size. I'll put the exact caliper measured dimensions up on the screen, but this timepiece wears like a dream. Personally, I feel the long lugs of the 38mm Hamilton Field watches make it wear bigger than its 38mm. This, however, is 36mm with a rather slim and short wrist hugger. And take it from a guy who hunts and hikes. That is how it should be. Outdoor clothing accompanied with your adventure benefits from a watch that can slide easy under many layers of clothing if necessary. Well done there. Vaer is also, according to their home site, which I'll link in the description, concerned with environment and wilderness, so they donate 1% of their total revenue for protecting of the ecosystem and wildlife. Well done again, Vaer. 3. You should know. As mentioned earlier, microbrands often listen to fellow enthusiasts. And they do. But they also look after our wallets. They're down with the sickness as well. Are you able to find a better quality watch at this price point? I'll wait. A perfect gift. A perfect watch for a collection, but also a perfect watch if you don't want to spend a lot on your time telling. Vaer gives you the option of choosing automatic movements as well as quartz. Founded as recently as 2016 by Ryan Torres and Regan Cook in Venice Beach, they shared the vision in creating an everyday but rough timepiece. They keep true to their initial values. Extreme water resistance for daily use. 2 interchangeable straps for ultimate functionality. Extensive USA sourcing for added quality control. Refined aesthetics for unquestioned good taste. A responsible business for long-term growth. Thank you guys, catch you in the next one, watch fam.